Avs Yoga Site, your ultimate wellness destination. Hello, wellness seekers. Welcome to Avs Yoga Site, your ultimate destination for yoga, meditation, and holistic health. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, we've got everything you need to transform your mind, body, and spirit. Are you ready to begin your journey to a healthier, happier you? It's time to take that first step. With our online yoga classes, you can practice yoga from the comfort of your home, guided by our expert instructors like Gaurav and Sabita. Signing up is easy. Just head to our website, register, and start your yoga journey today. Plus, when you join, you'll get access to a wealth of free resources, including yoga PDFs, videos, and audio files to enhance your practice. And that's not all. We also have a range of high-quality yoga products available for purchase to support your practice. From yoga mats to accessories, everything you need to create your perfect yoga space is just a click away. At Avs Yoga Site, we offer more than just classes, we offer a complete wellness experience. Our competitive advantage? Personalized online sessions, expert instructors, and an exclusive community all designed to support you. What makes us unique? With our holistic approach, you can not only practice yoga, but you'll also gain access to guided meditations, wellness tips, and ongoing support to help you live a balanced life, mind, body, and soul. So, why wait? Join the AVS Yoga community today and start your wellness journey with us. Click the link below to register for online yoga classes, explore our products, and unlock your free downloads now. Click below to get started. We can't wait to support you on your path to wellness. AVS Yoga Site, where your wellness journey begins. Thank you. See you inside. Regards from Team AVS.